Today we will be discussing 49 group and anagrams. So you were given an array of string strs. Group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. So anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So for example, you have eat, tea, tan, ate, nat and bat. So you have to group them together if all the letters are same. So like in BAT, it's BAT, uh, which is not repeating in any others. And for NAT and TAN, you're using the same alphabets, N, A, and T. And for 8, EAT, and T, you're using the same alphabets, which is A, E, and T. So you need to group them together and you can return them in any order. And if you are given nothing, then you have to return nothing. And if for a single A, then just return A. Now let's first try and see that how we can solutionize this, and then we'll come back to the coding part. So we have been given the list eat, tea, tan, ate, nat and bat, and how basically we can group them together. The very first step I think that we are going to do is first let's try and sort these in alphabetical order. So each of them has to be sorted. So like eat will become A, E and T because A comes first, then E and T. T will also become A, E and T. Tan will become A, N and T. Similarly, let's sort all of these in alphabetical order. Now let's look at why did we actually do that. Now if you can see, like we can easily group these A, E, T's together, A and T together and A, B, T separately. So what we have to do is, let's look at the first one and we'll form basically a dictionary. In Python, if you're not aware what is a dictionary in Python, please go refer your notes and then come back over here to look at the solution. So first we are going to do is basically first we are going to check in an empty dictionary if this is there or not as a key. If not, we are going to enter this as a key. And for the value, what we are going to do is we are going to have a list over here. And the very first, because this wasn't there, we are going to enter that element over here. So this becomes it is entered over here. Next, we are going to go to the next element, AAT, and we are going to again check in the dictionary if this key is present. Since this key is present already, what I'm going to do is I'm going to append that value. I'm going to append that value next to it. So I will write the next element T over here. Now I'll traverse to the next element, which is AND. Since AND is not there, I'm going to add another key over here, which is going to be AND. Now for AND, the first element will be what we have this value for, which is going to be tan. Let's move ahead to the next element. I'm going to again check if this is there as a key. Yes, this is there. So I'm going to add another element to the list, which is 8. Now I'm going to move to the next element. I'm going to check if AND is there. Yes, it's there. So I'm going to add this to this dictionary. Now I'll move to the last element and I'm going to check if this is not there. So I'm going to add this to my dictionary as the key. And for this key, I'm going to add value of actual, which is bat. So now there is nothing more. So basically this becomes my dictionary. And in the end, I'm just going to return the values for this dictionary, which is the solution that I'm looking for. I hope this solution was clear. Now let's quickly look at the coding. So the very first step is that we have to initialize that empty dictionary. So let's do that. This is going to store our answer. The next step that we have to do is we have to sort each element of the strs and then we have to add that to the dictionary as the key value pair. So let's see how we can do that. So first we'll have to traverse through each element in strs. So I'm just going to do that. And now I'm going to sort that string and add that to a different list. Now I'm going to check if that sorted string is present in the dictionary. Then I'm going to add that as a key in my dictionary. And now I'm going to append the value to that key in the dictionary. And in the end, I'm just going to return the values of the dictionary. Let's run this code. Let's submit it. This is a pretty decent solution. Thanks for watching.